Hinge kamsan, tharing ki ngendo se kape badingi hinge samolol kasu shigiye, tharing ki ngendo nala hinge nganzo active and passive voice karim bakol chik sigi indarwa. Te active and passive voice la din namgyu nganzo mangcho chigi yikse chikbu chiga madu pechu megyo ro chik chore jiyorwa. Ine ande dos mari ro nganzo namgyu keja shidi sambole ne era. Yang na nganzo active voice thoni ke shigiyore, yang na passive voice kiri ke shigiyorwa. Sonsan di dos la di sambole nganzo tharing pechu ta di sambole leha ro chik chagre samgudarwa. Tinyon la nganzo channel tola nge tenses ki nyindung su su tang yore, parts of speech ki nyindung su su chik tang yore wa hingi so kisi pagi nyindung di kisi chume bayina nge ki samsu chewa ina nge la pagi din su chik sirona ti jumla ni active and passive voice ki nyindung di chik di tawara jina back pain che thori samgudarwa ina ya ta de la pesa wa ina nyindung mutin sirona shwa Naso ani nganzo ta moto mangbu me to nyendung ko tsugu indara tingyon le kisi lingi so nganzo channel dol tema thangbo bejo do chaidna kamsang nyeming le kisum sigi yo nganzo tunda takpa pege to ne inji jane thapshi chigi yore tunda chi le nyendung ni ligi ra nganzo channel thola sadawa da purbu chido chido shide chige thola ligi yore al hingi so gi pege shingi yo bata pege to ne inji jangde yo na inji nganzo channel thola subscribe na na share al hingi so mangche wa nganzo channel thola yana yang do penge subscribe na ya temba je yo ba ina ya subscribe na share ani surdela tiu bell chinji chiyo sarra di anjik nem sharuchi ani ngegi ngendu sadawa da purbu shida chega lewa da hingi choya anjik ta inji jaya thize le shale anjik dachli ra lasan de deshnar na ani ngendu buzui so linge ta thambo nganzo board kang lama da ngela nganzo dus lege indara mikashes kecha khaptu shei dwara and mikashes kecha kor nishe khaptu del che li min dwara ta tinde do gi rigni do chikpa chikyang nganzo gi voice le disambole and dirangi chegi yorwa kecha khaptu shingi rosta pena chasha waina gi dus la waina I did this work la di nge lega de chain ne di kecha khaptur do cheba posure ngaro nge lega de chain ne I did this work yang mikashes kanji harla na ta nge yang kecha kor ni la de sambola this work was done yang this work was done by me la de sambo kasha so lega de chebre lega de nge gyu ni chere yang lega de charsha lega de che duk le jorwa chinge di la shu ki kechi mumazi lega di chesha nge gi gyu ni le jorwa lega di nge gyu ni chesha le di pet kecha nyobodo kor ni shi do ra ine ma zna mi ka ches kecha kor chinge de su imba male jorwa pena chasha du sambo anzu dusla wara jina anzu kidnap che ro da chala kuma shor du sambola chala la sha le ro lange de su imba le min do lange de su imba ha ku gi mara la kuma gyange de achala la chala de lange mar da khona kuma gyange de le keche mushida ta ha ku gi mewe ke ni keche mushida ma je chala la wa de le keche ya je joro tidir ro indu ma zo khare re ke jadi cheba poba do li min do ye kuma gyami na kuma gyamye nga indu ye kuma gyami na khapdu do ra tinde ke jani khaptu le cheba po de dewa yu be khaptu ke je share de la active le yore ya na cheba po di gang la lega chik che yu ro chik da chawa pura joro lega pura de le ke che wa ti wa ina to passive le yor ti rang re ra le lo se sa ni gone chik le yin da ra cheba po di lega chinge cho ke chimbu tem ba ina de la active voice le yore yana nganzu ki chawa di kuran ke che wa ro chik che joro lega di khande chi sha lega di kor le ke che wa ti wa ina passive re active and passive voice dus na nganzu phege to ne changma chaya che ta nganzu chu du gun da ra ta thang mo nya nganzu voice na khona thunda khare che do active and passive le the voice ki ye wa ni ro chik che yo ra the voice le chi da nganzu ke la voice ro chik le ra de la refers to the form of verb that indicates whether the subject acts or is the receiver of the action ra ta khala ko na voice le the chachi ki mo ro chires ra chachi le nim de chawa ra Digi khari rokpa chigi yori na digi nganzol khari tengi yori la wara jina cheba po jorwa subject di lega chenge redo yana lega di kyo gang la chedo le na ta cheba po lo di chayul jo chadu yorwa la di bat tangi cheba po zo imba cha ta cheba po di yan chayul dam le yo rojik chaswara ulta rojik chaswara okay ta dinde rojik la nganzol voice le yore lang chagi yor darwa ta voice la nganzol ki yewa ni yor right active and passive that active voice thangbo kharimba ya puchin jig ngaju talgen dero khajin active was a passive su tangi thangi la yodora ulta che chik buji re le jura thagon dangi ulta la ni hindi chik mambo buji chi uthusra listen in the active voice focuses mainly on the action of the subject chebapogi lega khari chi du dilami sukar ni thunan che jura dilam nju khari le yore active voice le yores la du nju ki peju khashis chik talgen dero I clean my room. I clean my room. La du nye room changma sugi ye. Ra, nye ke changma sugi do. So subject disure I clean my room. Clean the verb. Lega ra. Focus is mainly on the subject of the sentence la name. The subject de tunan chigi yo le du. Lega chini the subject I clean my room. Niba de la subject khari baleng so ikya cha ra. He will finish his homework. He will finish his homework la du kogi kurangi nangle di finish charwa chigire right kogi kurangi nangle di finish chiwa charwa chigire la du sambola lega chinge di sure he ko subject right taswa subadela she submitted the project la du mogi morangi project chiyo right di ya tesa sung submit chisa sung na jo right la du sambo karisha so lega chinge so the sort of subject di she Thamadela karre mo le disha swara I am doing my work nga ngarangi lega di cheshim bayi che di yu cheshim bayi lega chingi di surdo I ra nga tel seu to ndora ta dige chama manju gi khari to subject to subject dige cheba po di lega khari chigi pa khaptu shegi dwara tile gi ke gonyo po do ke min do mo cheba po do subject do verb do object do ra object chayul du kaptu re dwara tige manju khare du subject so to mi do song de jo active voice le du subject verb object subject verb ke agreement ko la ni gi dinge la ni du manju channel to ta ya ra se du ta phage nang la khaje jo ba khaje le na di jo sama manju khare du active voice tada ba manju jangyo mang jo se khare cha du active voice ra khaje le ba ina de la manju gi cheba po di kaptu ro shte she do la so tama cha che dinang kinyo de me wa che I clean my room simple present right present reda he will finish his homework kogi kurang nangle chire future right future tense she submitted the project past tense submitted nangle ya te cha sung ne jo right project I am doing my work present continuous nga thanda lega cheshim bai right present continuous tu gi chane tu stoji cha swara okay ta di mancho ki khare cha sung na active voice la na khande tor chili lagi yo bale de cheba po chu te cheba po gi lega khari chigi do subject gi lega khari chigi do tine ro chigi focus chini la active voice lagi yo res le ho do active voice ke nyong me wache ta active okay na nganzo dam ke cha sama active voice rang le shegi do na nganzo passive khari chur passive gi lega khari yo le jo ra la du sambo thanking ni khong de shu ban shi passive voice yang nganzo nam gi ni mi tsna phiju chigi yo res Penecha shawina khadi phiji shigure when do we use passive voice le du nganjo lega dirang la verb la ne min do ra lega di kurang la keche wa tie jo ra work done the keche wa tie di la nganjo khadi phiji shigure la wa na when you want to bring the focus on the work lega di la keche wa ti chinge di la shira keche bu ma ti wa ina nganjo gi khari shigure passive voice phiji shigure ra ni ba de la when you don't know the subject right kirangi subject chebapo di ha kogi meba chikche chebapo lega di chawa di keche wa zeina manchu ki passive voice phiju chigi yo reler okay tala de dus de thing passive voice ki phiju chidan cha swara pene china manchu ki kuma shordu yana kidnap chadu yana chik measure do do chik lang boina oh measure sha lega di keche wa do si me kya measure do nan didi shidang atu thina focus ching marra so the thinde ro chi keche shiding atu korni ro chi re dora dige la passive voice layer che da anjo gi dus chidi anjo gi active and passive khari ba khabar khari yo ba voice lana khoran thunda khari ba le tangma do jik chaswara tha ding anjo ta keche mu chik tharing gi jang wai chi khari yo lana active ni passive la khante keche gyur bore gyurdang por le keche mu chik chegi yor darwa nam yu anjo keche ta I clean my room. He will finish his homework. Dida namgyu keja rojik chaswara. Ta nganzu gyurdang gi gorle chikta gi indarwa. Gyur goed active ne passive gyure de tis keja gorle chegi yorra. So ta nganzu proving the active ne passive gyurdang. la so linge ta thangbo nganzo dela ni perchu shi dingya na tishi jab yu dirang chi gyur gen da jela nganzo an thui su ki kor la gyur na tis chi le tha ru ji chagre sam gudra la so I clean my room ni room ngarang gi room changma sui ni gi ngarang gi sha changma sui na de chu gyur du khandi chagre ta ni gi room la dingya le ora ta tidang chi la ora ni ne nam gyu nganzo gi sentence is the subject verb object dus ten shaira verb la nganzo khari ore helping verb and main verb. Let us move on to the discussion in the Latin and Latin subject plus helping verb chalitito plus chatito plus object. Right? The thing also active voice kitchen so logic charior right active voice. The you want to get a cup to shade some bola chepo to do some bola. The thing also the passive la chu you passive la chu you condition object in a shower. Child in a shower. Object plus helping verb maranja shoot main verb maranja shoot and subject chebapo de thamala share khajana chebapo thanda khechum bu maro ara thanda khechi adikare lega derwa lade se bolta manju child dinge la shawda tha dela chikta ro I clean my room sorry dinanga manju child dinge shawore my room ta manju kare lawore my room right ta dinang la kissing manju ki is mr helping verb me baina present tense ki helping verb la name dura present continuous ki khari chagi yore is mr chawor ra my room is right my room is ta dinang la jema de na zu ki dela first form of verb thi dwa na zu ki ta chu passive voice na yurdi khechum bu trick chi khari thambo khari lana third form of verb chaji mo suma na bujyo the passive changma khadyu ne chaji ki mo suma thi yor dra my room is cleaned my room is cleaned ta chinyeli shini tier by me my room is cleaned by me nye ki gyune chirele jo ra trick thangbo kharela so khatu ne third form of verb na thi or la so trick ni badal khare object ki ta thanda na ju ki thagi I la this subjective pronoun ra pronoun ta nye ki ta object ki chayul ki sa la nga le dis bola I de kar chhe me chhe ra the objective pronoun sha ho edi da le thau dwara objective pronoun ginyo na khari go re by la this bola rule thambo khari me to verb the third form of verb chhe ni badala object ginyo na by goes by plus object by me din ni tha thangba sama chhe che di tha che ta ni badala chikta gendora he will finish his homework he will finish his homework helping verb dikhare to future nane dwara ta di condition lena object karre thangota object ni thura his homework his the homework will be to the right has been the future now his homework will be finished in the chaziki mo sumba tiache chaziki mo ni sumba ni ga finished right wodige his homework will be finished by him he the consider him the net originally ni but she submitted the project that I am doing my work like the dushan therra his homework will be finished by him na so thati manjo chu simple continuous and perfect le chu du mun ra perfect continuous the shira ta na tang me ra shira in kejam ro shi ke mare ra okay simple the nam yu manjo ni ke de la thing sola simple present the simple past shi in ra khajin simple future hingi so ge pha reference logic chine helping verb chi puji gyure shema ranja thier ra okay ta dini ni ge de la active voice start chi share de ra hingi so ma nyam de passive na yu in de ra thangba de la I clean my room like subject verb object to ta didu ni ge ta thanda de ni ge khari go ra sa hingi so la khati ne ya object helping verb main verb subject ra ta de la object khare do my room ta de la na ju ge verb the helping verb and main verb ni shower ra helping verb on the thing so nam this ra helping verb the main verb my room ta de la is mr na ra is room chik sig re dwara my room is ta clean ki na ju khare shower re third form of verb ra plus object plus subject ta chate ki mo sum ba clean ki chate ki mo sum ba khare shower re cleaned my room is cleaned by me by I the object the khare chhe re me. Objective pronoun I gaji me, right? My room is cleaned by me. Yellow sasara, you know, a formula the name in the right without the name is a still chayo watching with the radi harena. Sorry. Object plus helping verb plus main verb plus plus subject. Okay, he wrote a letter. Quickly, you get it, right? Wrote the past tense na right? Then also continue a letter. Kachinana object digare to a letter. The is mr na ghari helping verb the was and wrote lana past tense right? Right? Wrote. Chasing most of the written. A letter was written and by objective pronoun he him. A letter was written by him. Two standing on the two passive now your senator. Thing on the simple Samachayase. The next no continuous now doing the continuous now like cake shida bonyo mar khajina hoina majo nambi thidinu delaina majo subject v1 plus object ledu ni dela helping verb dillu gore ledu sambola this gonyo bo sharu dwara ta thanda dela majo khare yore continuous to the helping verb yebar and main verb the yebar ra ta majo ki word di ne khare thore chase ki mo subal thiwe ra Tenzin is writing a letter Tenzin yi chi thishin bare do ta ti majo chu khare gyo gore thabo khare gore object plus okay, helping verb plus main verb plus object. Main verb la name in the main verb dikhare third form of verb. Remane, right? Tenzin is writing a letter. Tadela khare a letter object dinya lasha is mr na ghare do kurang jagi thangbo dela ke jakhabdu active na la is. A letter is tadinga jo khare continuous tense ra continuous in this sambolanga jo khare koyela na being 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 the word a letter is being written third form of verb writing written by a letter is being written by Tenzin is writing a letter is being written by Tenzin he was listening to her ku mola nyen do leisure thing also her na objective pronoun ra her ki subject dikhar chhe mo le the subject na thabo thi khatu ne ma her the subject le thi marwa her the subject dikhar she the she sub helping verb the was re dwara he was listening to her she was and karli re being the maran jo she che ani listening ki third form of verb khar chhe she was being listened Sugi gune, mola sugi nye de by he ki objective pronoun de kar him. Gona le so ni he su da pe kenzo chadu dura. Ina she was being listened by him na di continuous na chada sara. Ta dilile tha perfect na yor. Khajin shubai na dela third form of verb already used here ra. Active voice ine ke cha khatu shidi sambar na jo ine perfect na simple past perfect, present perfect, future perfect. Khatu ine third form of verb phiju chiwo yore la ra. Tangi ke thanda dos la ne khaptu la de sambal hingi so gi gonyo po this tik chagi na hingi so gi dingye na thu gi nyen dong dige chik sing wai na thanda di ki changma chag re le thangmo ni gi disclaimer chiju chik te so ra di chi de ra. Okay, ta thangmo dala manjo gi subject khare do they has have helping verb khare phiju chi do they nyam dala have of course what plural made third form of verb made ra the announcement seta khuju gi seta chidu leisure ra they have made the announcement that thing on two khandi kyur go re passive voice na la thamungi la object go re ani has have na khari do ni the having verb and thing ra helping verb go re tini third form of verb tini object ta dela manjo gi thewa chi khari ja go re na thangi dela manjo being na ni lu swara dela khari yor le na being BEE and being can lega the completely takna jing chawar ra being pensation they have made the announcement ta dela khare or object khare the announcement has been made by them goira ani they the objective pronoun khare them leswara ni badala Tenzin has written a letter. Tenzin ki igi chithi sare. Third form of thangbo ni doara. Ta ngamso ki kharap kuch kale mar khare yore bin na niche kuch luk share ba. Ta objective pronoun ya object ni la shower ba. A letter has been written by Tenzin. Tirang right? Those chine ang manso ki tharing manso active and passive voice. Dordi le lawo chigani ngi so le share try chiga gonda language le so that all over do kenzo shu just right ne so ta khoti chiga ya ro chi ani tharing gi ndu diran so mi ngi so ite bod sexual na ni ga woni katin che shwe ra ngi so gi tharing ki ndu the de thiwa khari yo bai ne lingi so gonde khale de ni inji jangi yo ne re lopta khale bi loptu khai ne re yana ma so thoda inji la thana chi ring sunna chi bai ne de gi ko la thiwa khandi do je ne comment section changi de se na le kyo na shwe ra nga so phage la chi keja 직 파수 시 투백이 이게 답시 치기 라서는 얘네들랑 좀 임마 팽이나 기세링에 속에 당고 subscribe 남겨 있는 subscribe now share 라 이번에는 이 인스타그램 기 가장 될 샤이 여기서 기세 인스타그램 페이지 남겨 있나 그게랑 이 인지 장애 걸라랑 직 컨텐츠 된대로 직 샤디기 여기서 follow 나온데 주모이나 follow 나온다 share 라 라서는 얘네들랑 좀 인지면이 도스는 행에서 깨듯이 얘기를 하시기에 디바도 잡으시는 슈로나 나중에 인지 장애 슈로나 share 라 라서